In this video, I will show you how to export video on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to load up the project that you want to export. Now, once you have that project and you're done editing and you want to export, you're going to go to the far right where you see the share button and it says share the project, event clip, or timeline range. You're going to click on it and you're going to go to export file. After the export file dialog box loads, you're going to go to settings. If you have a preferred settings that you want to set for the video, and you have the rows also if you want to set some rows for the video. And in info, you can set a description, a creator, and a tag for the video. And once you're done, you're going to click on next, and on the next is going to ask you the name that you want to save the project as and where you want to save the project, and you're going to click on save. The project should export from there. Now that's how to export video on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.